Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. It is time for my first experience with the DJI Mic Mini, which I received yesterday. I'm super excited to test it since I haven't been using any of their mics that have been released, the DJI Mic and the Mic 2. And I'm super excited to test it since I saw a lot of positive reviews for this product. So yeah, I got a nice discount as well. So quite happy with the delivery as well, which was less than 2 days. So good job DJI in that regards. So today I just wanted to show you the product. I know there are a lot of unboxing videos and reviews, but this is my personal experience and I would love to share it with you, my followers. So here is the packaging and here's what's inside. So here we have the receiver, 2 transmitters. I got the full package, the charging case, carrying pouch, and what else? Yeah, 2 magnetic clips, mobile phone adapter. That is something that I'm super excited to test, and I expect to have quite an improvement of the sound when I'm recording with a smartphone. You have audio cable, USB-C cable, and some documents, of course, four actually windscreens. And here are the specifications: 10 grams, 48-hour operation with the case, which can help you charge up to 3 times, 2-level active noise cancellation, and few other options that you can see here on the box. Quite nicely packaged, typical DJI white box, not very heavy. And inside, what do we have inside? Let's see. We should have the case. Let's put it on the side. And what else? Here is the pouch, a very nice pouch, nice addition for this full package of the dual DJI Mini Mic. So let's put the box on the side and focus on the main thing. Let's try to unwrap it real quick. It's quite tight. See what's inside. Okay, we have the windscreens here, the audio cable, and I don't know, the Type-C cable is inside as well. The windscreens, 4 of them. Okay, and here is the main star of the show, the charging case with the receivers and the transmitter itself. Let's unpack it and see what's inside. Okay, pretty sturdy feeling, good quality as expecting from DJI. Press to release. Let's see how you do that. I'll try to do one hand, and now it's open. So here's what's in the box. You see the Type-C port, 1 empty slot here on the right. This would be the Lightning for iPhone. So I'm not using the Apple ecosystem, so I didn't order that. Only Type-C for Android smartphones. The 2 mics, mini mics that I'm gonna pull out. They have the magnetic clips on the back. Here's the charging part, and yeah, very small and lightweight. And they feel nice, sturdy, well made. And here is the receiver itself with a clip. And here is itself. Yeah. And you push this thing out and plug the Type-C and then plug it in your Android smartphone with the native DJI application. You can set up this and fine tuning. There are some options that I already tested. I'll probably make a separate video for that. And then you can record with the smartphone native apps and with the DJI app as well, which is great. Another thing that's very nice with this product is this can be synced with other products like the Osmo Mobile 5 Pro and even the Osmo Mobile 4 Osmo Action, I meant, sorry, quick correction, Osmo Action 5 Pro. And yeah, with the Osmo Mobile, I think it's syncable as well. So yeah, quite a versatile product. You can sync it with other DJI devices and have the audio recorded through these small guys that actually have pretty good sound recording qualities, because the shell, the main recording part, is taken from the DJI Mic 2, so the record quality on a lot of the reviews is very good. Some say even better than the DJI Mic 2. I'm not quite sure about that. I will have to test it and see and not talk like that. So this charging case will give you like 3 additional times that you can recharge all of these at once. This is a very handy thing that you can recharge them all at once and carry them around. There was like 20 euros difference, $20 difference if you don't get this charging station, but it's very convenient, not only because you're charging them all at once, but also when you carry around, you're not gonna lose them because they're pretty small, to be honest. They're pretty small, and it's a very nice thing to have them at one spot. I think even the windscreens can be fitted in there, and you just take it, carry it with you, and you can record pretty nice audio, especially if you're in the vlogging industry. That's one very good device. So this is my unboxing and first preview of the DJI Mic Mini. I will make full review once I have tested it. I'm super excited about that. If you have used it or have any comments, please drop me a line below, and of course stay tuned, subscribe. I would love to hear from you, and expect my next unboxing or review very shortly. So see you soon.